This video is for you if you want to learn the quickest and easiest way to generate money online for free. As a result, you can immediately begin earning anywhere from $5 to $20 more online. If you've watched any of my prior videos, you'll know that I generate money online using a variety of tactics. Many viewers have asked me what's the quickest and most practical approach to start earning an extra $5 to $20 per day online is. As a result, I've decided to film a video about it right now. If this is your goal, I'll show you the technique I would recommend because there are a lot of misleading claims out there that you should be wary about. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel as well. Hit that notification bell button so that you will get notified whenever a new money-making video from our channel comes out. Also, share this to your friends and family so that you and everyone else will know this great tip to earn money. If you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment below. We love to hear from you. In today's video, I'll show you a variety of approaches, but not all of them will work for you. Not every one of them will provide you with the best opportunities in your country. That is why I will demonstrate various approaches before combining them. Now, the first approach I'd want to discuss is using Get Paid to Sites and paid services sites. I have many other possibilities, so if this isn't for you, then skip ahead to the next method using the timestamps below. So one of the best thing about this is that it's one of the simplest method to start earning money online by giving your opinion or providing a paid service. In some nations, paid service is a fantastic way to supplement your income. With paid service, you may easily earn $10 to $20 each day, and many sites that provide paid service also provide other services. They're called Get Paid to Sites because they can be used to download other apps, play games, click ads, watch videos, and more. The key to making money with Get Paid to Sites and service sites is to find the right one for your country. Because what's best for the US might not be best for Brazil, Australia, Canada, Bulgaria, or whatever. This is why I manually tested a lot of sites, did a lot of research, talked to hundreds of individuals all over the world, and painstakingly put out lists of the finest survey and Get Paid to Sites for a variety of nations that I keep updated on my website. You can see the countries I presently have on the list. And if yours isn't there, there's also a general top 10. But you can also utilize some of the other options. So the second choice is to use passive income sources such as Honeygain and Peer-to-Profit, both of which are quite similar to Honeygain. You simply install it and earn in the background by sharing your unused internet bandwidth whenever you're online. It will not provide you with large sums of money, but you will not require to do anything. As a result, you can run it while doing activities to get paid to sites and make extra money. It normally only takes a few clicks to put it up, and then a few seconds per day to maintain it. In certain circumstances, little work is required to earn a little additional money. If you love this video, please like and share it with your friends as well as subscribe using the red button and leave a comment below. It would be fantastic if you enjoyed it, subscribed, switch on the notification bell, and left a comment below. We'll post a terrific new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can get money doing easy things like this if we get 1,000 comments on this video saying I'll make money in 2022. So if this video receives 2,222 likes, we'll release a fresh new video that may be even wilder than this. So with everything out of the way, it's time to get back to work and make some money. The next alternative I'd like to discuss is using free cryptocurrency earning methods. If you've seen any of my videos, you'll know that I enjoy earning cryptocurrencies in various ways. And the great thing about it is that it has a lot of potential. If you hold on to what you make now, it would be worth a lot more in the future, and there are many various ways to do so. For example, I have an entire playlist that you can see on the screen right now, and I'll also put a link below with movies on other free ways to earn Bitcoin or do crypto trading using bots or other methods. You can also earn Bitcoin by watching advertisements. Nexo is a platform that we can use for this. It's a cryptocurrency bank where you may earn interest. So if you acquire these coins in other methods, you deposit them here. You can register for a free account. I'll also include a link to that below, so you can make some cryptocurrency. You can earn up to 18% of your membership level depending on your membership level. It's a little bit lower, sometimes a little bit higher for the crypto. But once you get it, you'll be paid in percents. This is a yearly percentage, not daily. Just to be clear, but simply having money on hand will allow you to watch your profit rise passively while you wait for it to appreciate in value. So it's definitely something to consider if you're searching for income. The second alternative is to take part in user testing, which entails putting websites and apps to the test and providing feedback. There are several sites that will allow you to do so, but this is the only one example called user testing. There are many more options as well, and they usually pay well, depending on the country. You can qualify for a variety of duties, but if you join many platforms, you can make even more. You can sometimes make $10 to $20 each work. You can sometimes earn $60 or more. And I have a comprehensive video where I discuss the various online testing services. So, before I go through that, there's one more options to discuss. But it would be fantastic if you could just take a second to like this video because it would help it reach a wider audience. And I would greatly appreciate your support. So, the third method I'd like to discuss is using a cashback site because if you ever shop online, you may get a portion of what you spent back. And an example of a cashback site is My Points. There are dozens of different shops to choose from. So if you ever shop online, you'll probably find one here where you can get a percentage back. You can see the coupons for eBay, Amazon, and Walmart are occasionally available. But main argument is that it's only available in the United States or Canada. But there are plenty of other cashback services in other countries. So you go to a website, click a link, and then shop for what you were going to purchase for anyway. Of course, you should only use a cashback site if you shop online. But if you do, you should be sure to use one because it may be a terrific way to earn both coupons and a percentage back every time you shop online. As you can see, there are a lot of extremely easy ways to start making some extra money online, and many people have asked me how I put together a plan to start earning $5, $10, $20 per day online, or much more. And all of these methods are completely free and can be enjoyable. Some of them do not require much effort, and you may begin earning right away. So pick the ones that appeal to you. Choose the most intriguing. Yes, you might not be able to discover many user testing or paid services in some regions. That is the way it is. But you can use the other alternatives. You might think it's unfair that it's so easy to earn $20 per day in some places while it's difficult in others. But that's how it is. The truth is that if you want to make money online for free, these ways do work. And if you combine them with a little effort, you can easily make $5 to $20 each day, or even more in some countries. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I was able to help you find a new way to earn money online. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel as well. Ring that notification bell button so that you will get notified for our next videos. Stay tuned for our next video and I'll see you there.